It's Yay Toy Unboxing! Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.
Hi everyone! Today we will be exploring Tangle! You twist, shape, and fidget. We've got a few different varieties as you can see. We have the metallic, gold, the classic, multicolored, sparkle, and beautiful purple, and crazy! All sorts of neat colors and combinations. So let's open these up and tangle. So you might be asking, what is a tangle? We know we twist, shake, and fidget with them, but what are they about? So, tangle makes you feel good. Pick it up, twist it, tangle it, fidget. The only thing you can't do is put it down. And so here are all the different types that come along with it. We've got some of them as I showed you. So you twist them and you create. Alrighty. Okay. All right. Ooh, this is pretty fun to play with. So it can look like a necklace almost. And you put it in your fist, stretch it out. Oh, you twist it up. This is pretty neat. So we've got blue, then a lighter blue, and a greeny yellowy shade. And you can see some of them say Tangle. Can you see it? Yeah. And you can also snap them apart. Like, okay, let me try one. I've never done this before. Oh, okay. Oh, neat. Alright, I'm going to put this back together for now. And I'm going to go on. This one was the classic. And the next one is just plain crazy. Oops. Oh, okay. Oh, this is kind of neat. Okay, so this one, like these ones are all pretty flat. But you can see these ones, this one has some ridges to it. And it's bumpy. And it has like, oh, like kind of see-through. It's kind of hard to see on camera. But there's also some very faint glitter. So this one we've got a blue, we've got a tealish color, a white, and blue again, and a different shade of blue here, and orange. So this feels a little different when you're just holding it in your fist. Rad. Okay, let's go on to the metallic. Oh, I love gold. I love gold. But doesn't this look fancy? Ooh, luxurious. Oh, I want to wear this as a bracelet. Let's see, can my wrist fit? Ooh, maybe not, but I can play around with it a little bit. So if I make this smaller, let's see, I'm going to take off, like, how many links? 3 of these links. And I'm going to reattach it. Okay. Well, this is a bit big. I think I could take off some more. I have pretty small wrists. Let's see. Come on. There we go. Can I squeeze them? Yeah. Ooh. I like it. Do you like it? Of course you do. Let's see. Okay, I'll put that down for now. And last but not least, we have Sparkle in this neat purple color. Oh wow. So you see how it's bumpy like? The bumps almost make it look a bit two-toned, right? Like you can kind of see like a bit of blue on it and then like the true purple. And oh, it's fancy. It's fun really just to play with it. When you're bored, you're like, you know, just holding on. This, like what shape should I make? Let's see, I'm playing around here, guys. Whew. It's cool because you see, like, you can twist them around. So I can make it go like this, or I can make it go out. You know what? I can get all of them. Make something really super. So I'm going to reattach these ones I took off before. Okay, so now I'm just going to snap this one off. Snap this crazy one off. Snap this classic one. And let's make a crazy, super duper necklace. See? Super duper. You know, this is maybe a little big, but if you just snapped off a piece, you know, keep it in your bag, your purse, wherever. So when you're out and you just feel like fidgeting, you can do so. Let's go like this. Yeah, ba-ba-da, ba-ba-da. Just killing time. Okay, guys. That's it for Tangle. Hope you liked this video. And make sure you stay tuned to Yay Toy Unboxing for the latest toy unboxing video. See ya!